The M119 is a U.S. field howitzer. It is a modified version of the British L-119. This weapon was selected by the U.S. Army for the airborne, mountain and light infantry units. The contract included delivery of 150 howitzers from the United Kingdom, and it is planned that other howitzers will be licensed produced in the United States. Production commenced in 1989. The M119 has been produced in the USA by Watervliet Arsenal, New York, Tubes, and Rock Island Arsenal, Illinois, carriages. This howitzer was built in large numbers. Depending on the source, the U.S. Army acquired 540 to 821 of these howitzers. It replaced in service the M102 105 mm howitzer that was introduced during the Vietnam War. The M119 howitzer first saw combat with the U.S. Army during the Gulf War in 1991. Later this howitzer was used by the U.S. Army in Afghanistan. Over time the U.S. M119 howitzers have been upgraded to M119A2 and M119A3 standards. This howitzer fires all conventional NATO 105 mm artillery ammunition, including rocket-assisted shells and M915 dual-purpose improved conventional munitions, PICM. The M119 has a tubular carriage of unusual design. During emplacement the carriage legs cannot be spread. This howitzer can be traversed through 360 degrees by one soldier. This artillery system is normally operated by a crew of 6. In case of emergency it can also operated with a reduced crew of 4, maximum rate of fire is 8 shells per minute. The crew can maintain such rates for 3 minutes. Sustained rate of fire is 3 shells per minute. Such rate can be maintained for 30 minutes. Prime mover for this howitzer in the U.S. Army service is the HMMWV. This is typically the M1097. It is a two-door vehicle with a cargo area at the rear. It also carries ammunition for the howitzer. Eventually an armored M1152 prime mover was introduced. This howitzer can be parachute dropped from military transport aircraft. It can be airlifted by Black Hawk or Chinook helicopters. By modern standards, firepower and range of the M119 are not impressive, however it coops up with its light weight, mobility, rapid firing rate and fast redeployment.